Matsoso, former leader of the 27 gang, sits down no Israel to talk transformation. Ola ma-orange, awusithatha usibeke.
Yeah, as GP ma-orange, the ghetto professor, yabona namhlanje bathi qhude maniki zindala zombili abonjivali kuphela namhlanje. Awuthami shapho kanjani?
Mnandi kanjani?
Ngiyakulandela.
Yeah.
Ngikubonile on the social media.
Yeah.
Urenga into heavy ezasedanyana.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
So siyafana mina nawe.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle yini inspire i-podcast yakho. Kuza kanjani ukuthi wena uqale la idea? Yini oyicabangile ene ufuna iyenzini kahle i-podcast yakho? Ngale information le uyisherayo ku-podcast yakho.
Yeah. Yabona manje winyathela emsileni.
Yeah.
Yeah, zindala zombili kanje kusho ukuthi iqhuthe maneke into enzakalayo. Ushintsho mfethu into esivayikiso.
Yeah.
Uyabona? Yeah. Zingidestroyile esikhathini esibhaya and zidestroy namajita.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah, amajita abhaya akhabathekile.
Yeah.
Via in ama situation besikiwe.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
So ngiyabuya vandaag ngibheka le into.
Yeah.
Amajita yankauza.
Yeah.
Amajita ahlela into abayenzayo.
Yeah.
Amajita adinga usizo kodwa manje aba voice out.
Yeah.
And then amajita angenile ashizile ayabuya ezangaphandle.
Yeah.
Alright. Nayi lento yabuya. Sithi judicial lethu.
Yeah.
Kulaba ebafailile ukuthi bagwetshele izinto ukuthi ini mfiti man abashithuna
abasenzanga innocently accused.
Yeah. Bazamile ukuthi bayayiveza ukuthi thina siqhavi for God.
Yeah.
I-judicial yabathatha innocent accuser yabafaila bagawa in ama life sentence.
Yeah.
Abafethu balele le.
Yeah.
So manje what does our judicial do give?
Yeah.
The follow up programs.
Yeah.
Uthi abheka ngesikhathi ebesikiwuso ora ngaphakathi ngaso.
Yeah.
Bokujangela phezulu kujangela.
Yeah.
Yeah, komshimani phezulu kushimani.
Ngokuzwa kahle.
Yabona, yashuphile kanda phezulu kushuphile phansi.
Ngithingi ngibuze ne. Uma waro ngayithathi ka personal. Uyawusha umthetho. Bosha umthetho.
Yeah, umthetho bomusha.
Yeah, so ngifuna si engage kuyo le conversation yomthetho ngoba nokubona ngathi intwana ezibhaya zinokuzibhala. Antwa zingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngifuna sithinte lo subject le ukuthi amaphi ama dangers mawuyintwana ngithi nokunama tattoo fashion.
Yeah.
Mara masofahlakiwe ngemistake phela tshela ngena noma ubani. Noma ungaspeak. Naku uzithola endaweni wrong esikhathi esirong uyaboshwa. Angithi ziyabhaliswa ziyaregister baba register reception. Mawungena ta ngithi uyafrustana
unethathwe kanje
ukuthi bayenzele ukuthi mawungatholakala in a fight.
Yeah.
You are guilty before you plead guilty. You are one of them. Angithi unenamba.
Yeah.
Awe highlight intwana zethu zifrustane la ideng nabantu abangakho informed uba inform ukuthi kahle yini danger yokushaya umthetho, yini danger yokuba ne-tattoo.
I-danger yokuba ne-tattoo ama-tattoo ano as much as sishilo ukuthi kunama fashion tattoo.
Yeah.
Yonke i-tattoo iyaringa.
Yeah, ine meaning.
Yeah, ine meaning ya.
Yeah.
Uyangena ungene la ngaphakathi uthola ukuthi same tattoo uyishayile.
Yeah.
Kunama gang ayithethisayo.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
And manje ayikho la into ngizothi wena uyishaya ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Na ungene la ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Bheka nalentwana ibhekile nokusho ukuthi nalomuntu ongaqhavi ifokona.
Yeah.
Na ungenile ngaphakathi une tattoo esymbolize i-tattoo yabo la kuleya gang li kula gangster.
Yeah.
Bheka useJive.
Yeah.
So ubro wabo.
Yeah.
And akukhola uzobika khona ngoba manje kwayena lo yahada umokolwa kuyi.
Yeah.
Uyabona? So manje ubudanger bama tattoo uzithola usophakathi kwamagenge ungaqhavi ifokona.
Yeah.
And manje ukuzothi wena manje le tattoo le awwazi ukuthi esiminani kodwa uyenzile.
Yeah.
Impilo yasedanyanini iso once ingena ngale hangpali le tattoo lena nale tombstone nale italezi.
Yeah.
It means a lot kimi ukuthi manje nyiwela on a certain gangster and manje I can't retreat from yon or refrain from yon or ngithi manje angiqafu ukuthi ithesha kanjani ngizomela manje ngiperforme ama rituals wabo ngizomela ukuthi manje ngilandelele imithetho yabo nemigomo ene uyakwazeka ungena ku bala noma uthi ukhipha isikhalo kubohata asebenzi isikhalo sakho nawu nenamba manje ufuna
so ngitshela ama dangers we kuba involved in gangsterism
ama-dangers ukuba involved
ngoba intwana zethu angiziqala ukubhala from ama-classic nesigele emabondeni ukubhaliwe ukubhala abo-big 526 intwana encane asifrostana ziyitshela ukuthi kunjalo ngapha siphethe nabo-50 cent abo-Tupac banama-tattoo wonke umuntu ongathi i-superstar nabo-Messi nabo abadlala ibhola banama-tattoo ini let's talk about the danger of being involved in gangsterism.
The danger of being involved in gangsterism, you find yourself ukuthi manje sokumele ugqwalisele leya tattoo sokumele ugqwalisele ibanga elithizeni kumele ugwaze kumele uperforme kusho ukuthi manje kumele ubonakalise ukuthi at a certain stage istep okuso yabona ukhona ngoba bayakutshela ungena la, let's say for instance ungena une tattoo yothiki yabona onqunu uyabo uqhamuka lapha manje dialing ebobhaya uthola ukuthi yini ibhalwa nga28 uyabona ufika lapha ke manje sebakutshela ngayo dialing wena uthi mina ngibhalile dialing mina ngaphandle uyabona ngaqaba ifokolo uyabona so at the same time laba bakutshela ukuthi bona bamfela umuntu omncane uyabona and manje if ukuthi manje wena manje ufuna ukwazi ukuthi umuntu omncane ufela ngasiphi isizathu uyabona kube naleyo manje ukuthi manje nikutshela ukuthi wena ongaphansi kwentshelo yami mina ngizokuthatha at the same time wena obhekelwa yimi kahle wena yini uzoba ngaphansi kwami and at the same time la dayidanya nini intwana ziya intwana idanya nini uyabona so kumele siqave le intwana lezi ukuthi at the same time akukhola uzoqhuma uye khona uyabona and awiqavi la idea mara so in danger eyayo ithathu so
yabona mina ne ngichenjile ne ngishizilile uyafrostana
good so
mawubhekile ngibona kuyisifo ngiyibiza i-jailbird disease kuba i-jailbird and isafari sathi nabodaki kakhulu abodaki each and every household inesibosho is either umalume or ugrotman or timer so how do we change the mindset ukuthi survive lesifo sisizwe simnyama the next generation inganyatheli la sinyathele khona thina the next generation ibe i-nation different babheke izinto from a different perspective
yabona mana mune mfethu kushuthi into mina ngikutshela ngayo sivayele yithi labo vandaag yabona the living testimonies yabona into ezinhle manje ukuthi manje we are applying back manje to the community yabona and manje kusho ukuthi la le ngiyayidonsa manje ngithi right uthi idladla ledladla linesibosho umalume umshana yabo izukulu manje uthola ukuthi le intwana lezi zifuna ukuperforma le into lezi ngendlela zifuna ukufuza and manje zithola ama role model abhedayo yabona kunabo malume abakhawathekile kunabo malume abalimele kunabo malume ukuthi manje bayabheda phela khona manje as from back to west and then manje engage nama-out for ama-teach and educate program nginentwana lentwana ihlala evala isolomazwe yi-ankele yayo ebuya enjiveni lentwana zange izeyela uyathola ukuthi manje no phela sithi manje then kumele ziyitaste kushuthi zicave like kushuthi then isay akhe ihatred kulentwana lentwana iyangitexa via ibona ama-clip yabona ithi mani malume yazi kunento ekimi mina ngaze ngidisclose so manje sinzwele uringa kanje ngobudanger abasidanyanyeni bheka prison is a period lentwana ithi mina umalume wami ongiripe ngaphandle abuye ejele so manje la ngihlebele isibling yami sesister yangihleka umalume vandaag sokuumuntu egrand emphakathini ukuthi each and everything nawuqala ukuthi manje uyikhomba kumalume ngoba khona nasike saxasha khona mina ngiplanela ukuthi manje ngibhodise ankile yami le ntwana ngiyatshela ngithi intwana yami ezinye izinto 11 zigelezisa ukuthi ungafani nazo yabo so ezinye izinto 11 uzohlangana nabantu awukuthi fanda by public figure awukuthi fanda by inspiration emphakathini.
So beside the podcast yakho from back to west yini amanye activities or ama business or ama projects or busy ngawo aside nje in your life, the general lifestyle nje?
General lifestyle,
what do you do for a living?
Ubheke kushuthi manje 11 ya demand. Ngiyabona njengoba sibuya le yabo idanyani siyabuya siza ngaphandle sithola ukuthi ileve ishintshile. Yabo okay mina for a living manje ngine sneaker hub.
Okay.
Ngashamateki.
Okay.
Ngashama carpet ingubo.
Okay.
Yabo ngibhaya sama ice cream ngibhaya sama muesli. Ngiyabona so ngiyazenzela lama muesli la.
Okay.
Yabona into njani nginengqose engikhulisayo no ukhothathu yabo ina 8 years. Yabo angiteshi ithena ngibuya ngibhayindwa criminal record ukuthi manje ngisevile isigwebo ngabuya ngangena under parole conditions yabona ngashow good behavior nangibuya la ngaphandle ngithi 18 months down the line ngithola ispan ngibhayindwa illicit case
it dangerous nami nginayo I think ngina 3 asiringe ngayo nabantu ba frostane ukuthi ukufahlakiwa nje I problem once over the criminal record ngiyawuzwa bathi after 10 years iyaphela ayipheli mina yangivalela angikwazi ukuya overseas kumele ngiye lapha na 2015 so kumele kuzosign ipresident and manje angichomananga nepresident angeke isuke la isuka khona isizo ngisayina ukuthi mina ngihambe ngiye kuphi asiringe ngadayithi ngile ukuthi ivalela namathuba kangakanani
la ngivalela namathuba kusho ukuthi into lezi kumele ziqafe yabona
futhi akumelanga uzucabange nokutshontsha
akumelanga uzuqabange nokutshontsha kusho ukuthi manje ukungena nangidanyana ukwenza icrime ngitho le ntwana lezi zisanenhlanhla fandahe program ukuthi manje yabona zithola thina yabona zithola thina
abantu bebangekho abantu abafana nabo
bebangekho mfethu abantu mfethu bokwa role model mfethu manje bokwa abantu kuyiharabdab lapho ngitho yabona bokwa abantu ukuthi manje iharabdab lapho 697 imbazo yabona manje sigelezela lezo ezinjalo yabo so fandahe le ntwana lezi kushuthi manje imele iziqaphe ukuthi phela icriminal record liyabhayindana yabona and manje liyakumosela because manje phela daying ihethangana uyadwatha yabona thinte no manje izinto ukuthi manje ziyathintela ijudicial into ijudicial yakufela yabo uyangena edanyanini awuthunanga fokolo futhi ngifuna uyibheke la ukuthi manje fanda yabo if from back to west ingendlela ebhaya futhi manje le ndlela lana is from life and death because we are dead at the same time and manje ibuya ngawe wena umuntu ukuthi manje uzisa vangi live uyangena yakufela ijudicial ijudicial yakufela awuqavi fokona awulenzanga leqala bakuplantile ututututu ushow iremove off uthi uyayivezela ihof uhlakazo ungena yabona yabona abagweba ungene kamfene na ungena manje edanyani
uthatha ama activities wasedanyani
uthatha ama activities asedanyani
inombolo ya graduate
abantu ukwazi abantu
ungene nge6 months maru end up so sharp ma
25 years
mawuphuma psychologically so limele uqhubeka ngayo lokulimala kwakho
ufeliwe ile judicial
ufelwe judicial
so manje enakufelile lo mthetho na Department of Correctional Services ne uyaseva ushowa good behavior uyabuya ngaphandle usaba under parole bheka na lento ngifuna manje si align manje mfethu bheka yazi ngisho manje kwenzakalani ama follow up programs iyenza le Department of Correctional Services ukuthi nje reintegrate
to the society
rehabilitation akhona and manje thina ke manje ngesikhathi sethu ama recreation programs uyabona bowangakabi so established yabona fire for mountain from 91 ukuzakala uyayithola impeshana and manje utabheka bokwiliza ikhathi lezi za uma golden mice food uyayithola impeshana yabona and manje ipunu bekuyibhuku idanyani yabona besaqoka green yabona mnani at the same time uyaphuma uza ngaphandle ngale kwakufailwa ijudicial usevile Department of Correctional Services uyishowile good behavior iyaqhamuka ndalela ama-orange mfethu iyaqhamuka le nto mfethu ulishile idladla kini uyishile ifamily yakho akuna breadwinner la uplantiwe ngala sakungene ngani uyabuya uza ngaphandle so usevile la i-Department of Correctional Service ikwenzela
okay uyazi ukuthi kusemhlabeni la maningi ama-department afeyila abantu ne mara we can't dwell on that. So as nation builders or community builders or the so-called role models, what can be the solution to the victims of those circumstances? Abantu abasafara nawo umuntu khona manje asithi ukhona simamele manje bamplantile akayenzanga lento and then expecta ukuthi i-department idlale i-role kuye then ayidlali sithini kuloyo muntu
lo muntu lo
how do you survive
sithi mfethu ibheka zimele ne bheka mfethu ziveze ima ngomumo ukuthi ufuna ukuletha ushintsho the from bad situation and then until to the west side ne at the west side situation ongene kizo yabo azikugelezise ukuthi ungafani naso yes right mfethu engeke sesidwele kizo yabo sisabonisa ukuthi le ntwana lezi zingalinge destroy ileve yazo ngokwenza icrime kushuthi yabona kuyeni ngathi njengoba manjini sama best role models kulaba fethu share strength and hope kubo ngabe kuya ngathi amadanyane kuba ngeke kube crime ayenzeki ngoba siyeda yabona saw experiencela bona uyabona
okumele bakuphuma thina amajela
adilize kusho ukuthi kube noshintsho esimathe ukuthi manje njengoba manje sinyathela ngakhona no so sithi wena mfethu bheka law order uyabona u experience le challenge zimele mfethu uyabona
awuna choice
awuna choice bheka bro awuna choice khuza lo munye umfethu ombonayo ukuthi emfethu bheka uyafeka uyabona and then le enye ezokwenza ukuthi manje uye on the west and on the west situation ikhuze wena ngitshela ukuthi manje azini ileve ngawe yini ayiphelanga and manje is the starting of a new chapter
asiringe ngecrime Niaz will be preaching the gospel. Crime doesn't pay. That's all. That's our vision. Because when the podcast yako, nami kuze ngenza into engizenzile, acting and so forth and so forth. The gospel is crime doesn't pay. I was telling le ntwana lezi, ama challenges a crime. Why is it a crime doesn't pay? I want you to emphasize on the statement. Crime doesn't pay. How it doesn't pay? Uba explain ukuthi sithi ayibhadali ngoba kanje na kanje na kanje na. From your experience
mano mfethu abona kusho ukuthi manje ne lenti kanje sithi crime doesn't pay uyabona sibe sithathe futhi sibeke sithi it pays in a bad way uyangithola uyabona it pays uyabona ne
yakuzwa
uphelele yabona zoka lesinqande sizokuthatha siyahuda la safika ngesikhathi ukuthi manje sekulelo kunabazali kunomthetho wasendlini uyapi no Israel uyabona uyapi noma orange hayi mama nongazongitshela bheka silahla la yemama ongazongitshela bengekho mina emshini bakho manje nazo olila mla ngikhinya ngithola hayi intanga vele bayakhinya labantu kunomthetho ukukhulisile lo mama ngithola siyaphuma naqeda ukuphuma 2 to 3 yamakhona nayi lento esize kuyo siyavela ntanga nasi lesibhamu lesingaphansi kwesidi iharabta bla baba sangena sandlula le ndende evusela orimile whatever lo company car uthi uyavela kunomuntu otrainiwe ukuthi manje mfiti escort or whatever ushayela
on a license to kill when awuna mvumo number 1 lesibhamu lesi asinane license awunalungelo lokuphatha isibhamu yena iphoyisa vele usespanini so unelungelo lokuthi akudubule unama chances amaningi
uyakudubula lo mama umshela pendlini yakhala inyembezi lo mama umshela pendlini unenjongo ngawe ukuthi kusasa lakho kumele libe grand wena uthatha ama shortcomings wenzani uentertainela yini a fitting situation kungani ukuthi ayazi ubrother bakhona ukuthi bayenze baphume kanje nami ngafita ukhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu lo mzali lo khona into akubhekele yona enekusasele grade.
Let's talk about the psychological affection after being in prison. Now we speak like psychologists manje. Into experience it based me personally. I think itanyani like affect not only physically, emotionally, mentally, and psychologically. Physically, ngikhuluma ngokwaziwa, qhwala ngidisamende laphana, arthritis. It's not a good environment to live. That's why thola bunjivana babhama baphuma bane problem inyawo kuyaguliwa, ma piles etc. So enye singakhulumi ngayo kakhulu singabantu. It's a psychological effect. Based on your experience, I want you to emphasize ukuthi psychologically ijele umuntu limlimaza kanjani la.
In fact, psychologically yalemala mfethu ubane enga.
Yeah.
Psychologically ijele ingqondo yakho iya minimize.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona?
Yeah.
You uqabangele dozi.
Bheka lo malume lo lento uyifunde ejele. Makaphuma usodomaza ngaphandle. Don't you think ukuthi it's a psychological
ulimele
effect?
It's a psychological effect bheka mfethu kusho ukuthi enethina yabona na uyihlaba kanje usukumisa ezinye izinto ngoba thina we have been through a lot enethina yithi abantu asiz that fit no fit asizifaka kuma recovery sessions thina mselufu yabona we didn't find a chance ukuthi manje singahlala nama psychologists ngitho so manje
ngifuna singene lapho uyihlabile ukuthi khosa ianger and then isibuyisele emuva njengesizwe iva likhishwa ngelinyiva ilama role model thina sawathola sathola abantu abahethekile nabo bafuna ukudlulisa lokuhetha mara thina sak overcome so isociety enjalo singayihila kanjani psychologically yini izinto kumele bazenze ezizoba healer psychologically, emotionally, spiritually and mentally.
Into ezingaba healer psychologically, spiritually and mentally. As much as if from perpetuous. Entity ukuthi in a collaboration among entities as much as Israel Matseke Zulu, Israel Matseke Zulu Foundation. At the same time, as from perpetuous, we've got a mass cyclers, we've got agriculture, we've got theater, so we've got mass sessions, our substance awareness. We are working and
my program now.
Yes, I was now my programs now. So now we are implementing in the way to help our brothers and sisters. Laba ababuya idanyani. And then we've got this anti-gangsterism lingo.
Anti-gangsterism lingo.
Yes. Ukuthi le challenge esiyenza yenzakala la ngaphandle. Le into analezi ugeleza indaba yomthetho lamalingo nyana lawa. Senza ama recovery coachings and then from them kudingeka more workshops. Nathi
more workshops.
And then ukubavayela abafethu
kufana nabo life skill lezi besizenza lapha edanyana
management
about drug and alcohol.
Drug and alcohol.
How to solve a conflict solving. Mawune anger, how do you lower your temper?
It's very interesting. So manje nginesho ukuthi into eboyenza yabona and into sayenza nano yabona ukufayela abafethu yabona most abafethu akusukuthi manje bakhawathiwe nje ukushizile ne phela iaddiction le yama drugs yitho phuma ngaphakathi edanyaneni phela ufailwa ijudicial ungena ngaphakathi edanyaneni uthola ama drugs ngaphakathi
usho ama drugs azoba isolution azoyenza situation ibe worse
ngiyabona uba naleyo nhlanhla uyatholakala ngaphandle ungene ukuthi ufailiwe wena futhi waba on a way yokuthi ushow a good behavior, and then at the same time wabuya waseva the parole condition, ubuya nge-addiction, usodomayiziwe ngaphakathi, ukwaziwe ngaphakathi, uyabona ezinye izinto zikubangele engamo, akukho umuntu ongaringa naye, akukho umuntu ongaringa naye, siyabuya la ngaphandle. We are forcing our social development manje ukuthi asitholeni lama social worker laba bezinhlala kahle kuzo solve ama issues afana nalawa lama challenges afana nalawa la ngaphandle community.
So asiqale phansi ke sineyintwana bisike saba yintwana and then saspina sasithole danyana si prevent kanjani intwana ezalwa manje inganyatheli kulama footstep eswanyathelile. How do we eradicate the criminal behavior and that criminal influence irrespectively of the political challenges? Ukuthi ekhaya bayahlupheka, isipanda sikho, siya esigela sikhompyutha ama matric baphasile abantwana manje. Hayi bonke bayophumelela. Abanye their dreams are going to be shattered by the reality. So siba motivators thini kulabantwana laba abanjalo ukuthi yiphi indlela kumele ilandelwe kahle kahle, more especially abantwana babafana.
How to grow up a boy child.
How to grow up a boy child.
How to grow up a boy child.
Yes.
The program yafuneka. Yabona. And then ukulandelela le intwana lezi angithi, and then bubhaya sibuya sitholela ama challenges lawa via agent ngoba manje at their age from 13 years ukuya le ntwana seyilapha esecondary yayibona
seya change se develop ama shoulder manje.
Yayibona into enjalo, yabona. And then manje it's where manje si encounter manje boma bullying via le role model ezikhona lezi. So lama anti-gangsterism and workshops, and then how to grow up a boy child. Yabona la uhlabe khona le ntwana zifuna thina whereby sizibhekise yabona to groom le ntwana yabona,
mentorship, grooming,
mentorship, parental control. Siyabuya nawuthi parental control kunento ebengibhalile ithi a foreign house yabona. Kula foreign house under that shed so many situations. Ingosi intwana wena usisomncane uyaphuma uye esikolweni, umntana uba save nakafike esikolweni nakumele abuyele ekhaya, kunomalume omele lapha
ekhoneni,
kunomalume omele ejardi, kunomalume othe ngusini umama wakho kushiyele mina, umama kanti wasisomncane okhulayo akasekho, or umama ekwalobhuti omncane sokhulayo akasekho, ekuselelwa amalume.
Ngikhiphe esporweni kancane why abomalume balebulwa phethe? Do you think bonke abomalume vele bayaluma?
Abomalume bayaluma because manje uthola ukuthi manje
ngifila phethe singamangili nathi ne mara nayi ke mina ifeel yami esenangela ngifuna uku-explain abantu bazi ukuthi yini umalume from namhlanje besides lo malume lo omela umfana bangaphuma esikoleni. Yabona ukuba umalume it's a great responsibility.
Most definitely.
Malume is the strength of the family. Umalume uyazi ukuthi uye okumele athathe yonke ikhaharaha eyenzwa efamily. Umtshana mabamphrekisile unprotected sex aphume endleleni, umalume uye uthatha responsibility. Abantwana basefamily nama siblings babahlupheka, umalume uzothatha responsibility. Abomalume kaningi ama breadwinner, abomalume yibo abagade ekhaya, angithi phela mawumalume umtshana wakho bambhayizisa ufila kakhulu. So that is why mawumalume mele ube strict
nje.
Umtshana bazomlobola ubani unegotiate
malume
uyabona ukuthi irole yakamalume ukuthi ingakanani
ibalekile
yeah shuthi labo malume bayi2
yeah
sengiringa ngalo malume lo
iva
constructive
yeah lo iva
yeah lo mele abantwana eWP
yabona so manje lo malume yiyo into most important ukuthi manje nasifikelela le ntwana ukuthi manje how to grow unje boy child kumele siqale kibo labo malume yabona and sibuye futhi manje size bazalini yabona and sibuye futhi sikwazi ukuthi sifinyelele le ntwana ngoba le ntwana ayikwazi ukungabaleka ngalendlini yipi le engatholi ufuthi
mara wenze you took a giant step ukuthi ustarte i-podcast ngoba it's ngokumamela in the beginning in our conversation when we start you spoke about maskhula besinganawo ama platform where we can raise our voice so podcast it's a platform it's a new platform whereby anyone is welcome as was khulumela we're having a freedom of speech this is one of the platforms that we are using as a podcast and then it's for the people by the people
it's for the people by the people
it's for the people any issue anything anyone any situation
yayibona manje le
sifuna la podcast
sifuna la ukuthi masihlaziye lento ngoba manje thina njengoba vele singazanga ukuthi manje singaba ne-shoulder esizokhalela kuyo yabona and manje you are not putting a blame yabona sithi wena yabona kusho ukuthi ntwana ngaphandle ukuthi bheka la yabona funa lo malume ombonayo ukuthi lo malume lo yabona uzomfaka endleleni yangitsho
ukhona ka what you saying Malintwana, you must know how to choose a role model.
You must know how to choose a role model.
What if upaziswa yuya don't choose it?
Yayibona manje. So manje uyambheka futhi. Kanti manje njengoba manje sokune chance ukuthi manje kuvela kumalume abanjengathi. Yabona isibeka ukuthi i-chance isasekho. Yabona uyambheka lo mzali okunika direction. Yabona kanti futhi uyayibuza into ongayi-understand.
Okay. At this change direction manje. Let's talk about South Africa 20 years ago and after 20 years. What is your take? What do you think about our country right now? Yes, we are not parliamentarists, but we are concerned citizens of the country. We are people of the country. Let's talk about the political side.
Ayabona yo manje kusho ukuthi nasifika lapho ke we come on an issue yokuthi the political side changing the mindset. Uyabona zali yantwana ikhulayo zali ya generation ya 20 years before yabo na 20 years now yabona asibheke manje no le ntwana lezi le youth le these younger brothers of us yabona sitsibheka the community the diversity of the community why the anger le elethwa yini ile top 6 and then city the political side people they are doing izinto umathanda yes they are establishing programs they are establishing ukuthi how can they equip the community yabona mare more 70% yabona they are failing the community and at the same time so kuna lento ukuthi kuno we are talking ngento yama drugs devil's revenge upon God's servants.
That's the meaning of
drugs devil revenge upon God's servants. Ukhulume into mana muno ukuthi thina ama family wethu abazalwane thina ama family wethu yini amakholo that's how now umalume uye namhlanje yabona idrug ngaleza ikhathi esidlule nga into esikhule ngazo
sase Menrex
sase Menrex ne enebolshayis angithi
belingekho popular
belingekho popular idrug imosel popular uyabona
so we in thing
so we in thing you go to it was late you go to a hill bro bega
hell on earth
I do call it pinpoint straight talk. This is a platform to talk. But this is a platform to talk. Ngoba manje sina this South African Police Services izinto. Official ukuthi manje abayenzi foko. Yayithola into enjani? Sinemnyama ndawo lapha. Sinemnyama ndawo. They've named people abanjenga Bishop, they've named people ukuthi they were smuggling the station commander sase-Hebrew. We are from those buildings here. We know each place where the people we know it drug squad debate now and I arrested some of the smugglers. And at the same time, the station commander knows how to command a drug unit. They know what a plastic a plastic buildings have invaded. Buildings are invade you and buildings are high-tech you and Nigerians are taking place now. Mina, you go downtown, Pagat Hebrew. Exchange of his monthly. Our brothers and sisters by a border in a matrax. They are seeing it. At the age of 13 years, man, you go to a matrax 10. Man, mina, I'm a threat to my society. I'm a threat to whoever. Or it drugs man. Because man, you need to pay. Shalana matrax swap. Bring the souls. Mfuna the pillows that are our young brothers and sisters. Our pillar and matrax. We've got our police station amongst my location. Our sector fence, they go there and go and take the bribes. But she gave up chair, this is a revenge time. Our system has failed us. 20 years before, 20 years now. A program that way you're doing during each and every province. Talking Nabasali. Talking Nani Intwana days. Ngayo, this killer monster yama drugs. You want to help out the souls. People abanje ngathi ukuthi manje they can go out there and voice out. This kills the nation. Our borders manje we are zenzelo akuna control on our borders.
Ngizwa kahle. Ka. Sinika 5 days on the conversation. Singaringa into as a blind. But yeah, because of his party, ngiyacabanga ukuthi kwanamhlanje kwenele. Bazwile abanamadlebe, bazibonela abanamehlo. Abanomqondo bazawusebenzisa.
Kumele bosebenzise ukuthi nale ntwana la ngaphandle. Lelalele no. Kumele iqhavi la ntwana. Kunawo amahrut. Akhona amahrut ngaphandle. Le ntwana leya kumele yazi ukuthi umzali uyahlonishwa. Le ntwana leya kumele iqhavi ukuthi imfundo ibalekile. Le ntwana leya sithi wona sana phume emadragsini. Yona sana yenza into egrand. Hloniphe endlini.
Manje ngoba ngathi akuphumeki emadragsini ngathi is one door in point of no return.
Sibuya ku point of no return manamuntu. Sibuya ku point of no return manamuntu. Uyayazi situation endlule esindlule kuyo. Phela into sekuthini so. Uyazimela and yabona by being honest to yourself. Namhlanje I'm living the program. I-12 step le engisebenzele pheka nayi le. Yayibona manje. Yabo nayi le nto. Kunento so. I'm living i-12 step. Yabo that's why ngithi le ntwana le. Yabo kumele iqhafe le ntwana. Yabona ukuthi manje yini ileve uyazenzela and uyayigruma le leve uyashape. Phela I'm recovering edit mfethu. Yabona le nto manje yini mfethu eyenzakele the addiction from prison to come with it outside. Yabona at the same time iche manje nayifika ifamily ifika ngaphandle kwathola ukuthi ishock abantu abaningi. Yabona olidlamo lela shower i-mid stroke manje kunento so mina ngazimela the tough love yangishintsha. Uyabona? At the same time I've decided ukuthi manje le akusimpilo yami under this active addiction. I've managed ukuya rehab. Ithena ngiya eVetport Treatment Center. I've managed to be a member ye Narcotics Anonymous. To be a member in Narcotics Anonymous, on that 12 steps, I've managed to take 8 important steps. The first 3 being honest to myself, being open-mindedness, to be willing to do the right thing, to change my life to a better sobriety. I'm living the 5 pillars, of which is higher power, a service, to spread strength and hope, including faith. The 3rd one is step work. The 4th one is meetings, Narcotics Anonymous meeting. The program lives. The 5th one is sponsor. A person of which when I see this person, when I talk, he can listen. Or my drug cancel if I become overwhelmed, feeling like rather than picking up. I can rather pick up a phone with you. I'm feeling like I need to start step work. Go back to the step work. So now you choose what is important, go. And at the same time, the follow-up programs, our brothers and sisters who are out there. Babula this killer monster drugs. Anyanyisa mfita drugs.
So our services wako, your facilities nispanela kupi?
You get us China Semfulo. We are in Fulo Soweto, and then at the same time we've got our own podcast. And then Siana Seikela, based elokshi. Ngoba vele yini inkinga esolokshi uyabona ngizalwa on the dusty street of Ekasi uyabona lento uyenzayo abafita ubalahla spirit out there yonke youth iqala ngoma orange uyabona out there strength and hope usherayo uyabona wonke umuntu uyabona uphakamisela elakho ngokuthi manje fana umalume unamadlala une responsibility uyabona. And you are still building on investment responsibility. To reach out there to change the community. So it's based in Fulo, and then on our YouTube, on our lenses and our platforms as a social media is from bed to worse. Gmail.com. YouTube, TikTok.
Asinalanga lonke.
Mfethu ebesingaba nelanga lonke with aka uma orange unani abonjiva nabadlinda.
Mfethu up close and personal with Israel Matseke Zulu aka Ma Orange, the GP, the ghetto professor, General Potaske, Kingman Namune, Boss Ori, fruit and veg.
Easy jales. But 50 mnandi.
No. That's it.